Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to share the post to anyone on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. So first click on this application and then as you see here you are on the discover page. So choose any post you want and then click on these 3 points right here, and then here you will find share. So click share, and that's it. That's how to share. Now you can choose anyone on any platform. So that's how to share any post to any platform easy and quickly. Oh, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.